In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories on Hostinger. If you want to keep your online store organized and make it easier for customers to browse your products, adding categories is a very important step. Categories help group similar items together, which improves navigation and creates a better shopping experience overall. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Hostinger and how to create a category for your store. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website section. This is where you can access the settings and management tools for the site connected to your online store. Click on Website to continue. From there, find the option to manage your store and click Manage Store. This will open the store management area, where you can control different parts of your shop, including products, categories, and other store settings. If this is your first time here, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to navigate in the future. Next, click on Products. This section contains everything related to the items you sell, and it's also where you'll find the category tools. After opening Products, click on Categories. This will take you to the area where you can view your existing categories or create new ones for your store. Once you're on the Categories page, click Add Category. This is where you'll begin setting up a new category for your products. Enter the category name you want to use. Choose a clear and simple name that makes sense for your customers, since this can help them quickly understand what type of products they'll find there. After entering the category name, go ahead and assign products to that category. This step is important because it connects the category to the products you want displayed under it. You can add the relevant items based on how you want your store to be organized. For example, you may want to group products by type, style, or purpose, depending on your store's setup. Once everything looks good, click Save. That will create your new category and apply the changes to your store. And that's it. You've successfully added a category on Hostinger. Keeping your categories well organized can make your store easier to manage and easier for customers to shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.